Hello, I'm John Fichtner. I own Fichtner Services. We've been in business for 30 years as a home improvements company. We have evolved to, rather than gutting kitchens and bathrooms and replacing everything, we leave everything right where it's at, resurface it all, give it a great new updated look for a fraction of the cost. So this option allows them to save thousands of dollars on every job that we do because we're not replacing anything. There's nothing wrong with the cabinets most of the time. They're just ugly. And same thing with the countertops. They might be super functional. The color's just not right. Or maybe you have a crack in it or something and you think you just can't fix that. Well, you can, and you can make it beautiful when it's done. It's awesome. So I plan to take this countertop, which is just an off-white ceramic tile, and resurface it to give it a multi-stone gray look. This is going to look so good that it will fool an appraiser. It's so much cheaper than tearing them all out and putting all new cabinets in that, I mean, it blows it away. Monetarily, it's ridiculously cheaper. When it's all said and done, you're going to have stone-looking countertops for a fraction of the cost of actual stone. When I'm finished with this application, the durability of the surface is going to be one that it's up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, I believe it can handle, which actually it would probably melt the surface underneath my paint before it hurt the paint. Stain resistant, you can pour anything on it, I don't care what it is, even fingernail polish remover, dump it on there, you can wipe it right off, no problem. Mustard doesn't touch it. It's waterproof, and I actually give it a lifetime warranty. That is above the standard, but I have no problem doing it, and I've been doing that for almost 15 years and haven't had a single failure yet, so I have no problem standing behind its durability. We're going to paint these cabinets white, and they're going to be extremely durable, more durable than what they are now. So in this kitchen, we resurfaced the countertops, we resurfaced the cabinets, we resurfaced the sink. It was a really heavy, nice sink, so we resurfaced it. We installed a new faucet set, and we painted all the walls. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate that. If you've got a kitchen or bathroom that you'd like to have renovated without throwing everything in the landfill somewhere, give us a jingle. Visit our website at FichtnerServicesInc.com. Thank you.